my riff for Car by Royel Otis starts off on the 9th fret, the A string, and with the open E string played together. We're immediately going to hammer onto the 11th fret with the 3rd finger there on the A string. So hammer on, we'll then strum down up on these 2 notes before taking the 3rd finger back off and strumming up on the 9th fret. So hammer on, down, up, off, off. We're then going to move down to the 4th fret on the A string and play that with the open E string, immediately hammering on with the pinky finger to the 7th fret of the A string. We'll then strum down up, take off the pinky finger and go to the 3rd finger on the 6th fret, strum up with the E string, and then to the 4th fret, up with the E string again. So, and that repeats twice. So the first riff twice, and the second riff twice. For the chords behind the riff and in the verses in general is 2 bars of E and 2 bars of A. For the chorus we have a single strum of C sharp minor for 1 bar, single strum of B for 1 bar, single strum of E for 1 bar, and a single strum of A for 1 bar, played on repeat. On the acoustic version of the song, there is a strumming pattern. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, There is a little riff that comes in straight after the chorus. It is the 9th fret of the B string, and we're just going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and sliding up to the 12th fret. We'll play 3 and 4 and. So we've then got 2 more full bars of 9th fret. Then we play the first 2 bars again. And the last 2 bars, it is 9th fret, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and sliding down to 7th fret, 3 and 4 and. So we have for the mid 8 in this song, there is a single strum on an F sharp minor chord, left to ring for 2 bars, C sharp minor, single strum for 2 bars, E chord, single strum for 2 bars, and a B chord, single strum for 2 bars. Sometimes that E is played as a power chord actually. On the acoustic version of the song, the strumming pattern is the same as for the chorus. Down, down, up, down, up. Just for 2 bars instead of 1. So we have the F sharp minor, C sharp minor, E,